Hello, this is Uno Mas again signing in YouTube, guys. This is Uno Mas again signing in YouTube. Today is July 18, 2012. And I want to show you a video tutorial. A video thing. Okay, this is the title. Uno Mas tutorial video twin power of Arpos Gov and Magnus Phantom Mas Iggy 6.2.3 Gov plus Phantom Mas Iggy. I just want to show you an example, okay, how I do it. And here it is. First, I'm in a room using YSupa. As you can see, I am in the room, and there are some. I've just already as you can see, there's some bots in here that don't have a boss because my ID has just got in this room. Okay, so actually those bots have a voice. Fortunately for me, I just go in the room and I just see some bots don't have a BC, but actually they have a BC. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, as you can see, I do have a goal 0%, and there's a lot of voice user in the room. As you can see, there it goes here. Now watch very carefully. Okay, this is my gov, and there's the captcha. Okay, and this is my Magnus. There's the Magnus here, and here's the captcha. It goes. Now watch very carefully, okay, guys. I will step in the skull voice here. There it goes. Here it goes. It's working, guys. It's working. Stop scroll, and I can scroll the master. There it goes. Master do scroll too. Stop it. Now watch very carefully, okay? I will check the auto Iggy and flag Iggy, okay? And goes ignore Iggy. Pin pockets, okay? Now watch very carefully. I will step in. And there it goes. Almost half of my PC is ignore. 50 voice users, 56 voice users. As you can see, in my Magnus, voice is 56, in room is 56, but audio is 11 because this audio thing is sometimes error number, but what you must see is the voice 56. As you can see, 56 voice ignore. I am being ignored by 56 voice users, and 57, 56 here, 56, 56. So I do have a 56 Mas Iggy in the Phantom BC here. Actually, you can put in hundreds. I'm just putting in 56 because I'm tired of typing some captcha. Now watch very carefully. Okay, you can here in the shape Iggy list, there's a shape list. Show shape list. Okay, you can shape list all the bots in your gov. Okay, I will show you here all the govs in your gov. You can shape list these users. There it goes. Shape list, shape list, shape list, shape list, shape list, and so on and so forth. You can shape list all the bots that you are using in your other mass program, which is the gov by R4, Sir R4. Okay, you can shape list that all the bots in there. Okay, for it to be not auto ignore, so on and so forth. Now you can shape list. Okay, Say please. Now here boys. Okay, let's go say please all of this. It's a difficult task, maybe a difficult thing to do, but it's all worth it because it may improve a lot. If it may boost a lot of your voice, of your when you step in the BC, it may help a lot. It may boost a lot of your power in stepping in the BC because you will not be auto ignored. Okay. Okay. Just save this all this stuffs. Yeah. Save this. And it's a noble task actually. Okay. Let's save this. Save this. Now once you save this all of that, you can step in, scroll in here in your Gov. Now I will step in, scroll. There it goes. I'm using a screen recorder, and so this may blink because it hangs my PC. And there it goes. As you can see, it's scrolling. I will show you the audio bot list. There it goes. All scrolling. Options. And I will stop this one. There it goes. Stop. I'll scroll in just maybe 30. I will scroll it again. Scroll. And there it goes. It does not, as you can see, my Gov in the my BC in the Gov. I will show you that scrolling. There it goes. It is not ignored by the Phantom PC Mass Iggy. Okay. There it goes. There it goes. 57% scrolling. It goes. And scrolling. Okay, I will step back in the BC. This one is error. Okay, this one is error. Okay, I will show you that it's error. C1 of 97. It's error. As you can see in here, 98%. There it goes. 98%. So I'm stepping in the BC. Okay, there it goes. 57%. Okay, it's working, guys. Now I can ignore that guy, and let's go. 61 voice ignore, and he does not have any kind of power to get my BC, even if it is a mass BC. Okay, it goes. There it goes. Save this all the votes. Okay, 100%. Okay. Now watch very carefully. Okay, guys, I'll show you something. I will step in the BC different scroll, boys. There you go. As you can scroll, boys. There it goes. There it goes. This is a mass voice Iggy program. It does not have a particular voice domination. It can scroll voice chat, but it does not have a very strong voice domination. It will just scroll. This program is for mass PC Iggy, okay? I'm just showing you. As you can see, it's still 98%, 100%. There goes. There goes. I will stop scroll. Stop scroll. There goes. Unamas March TP ignore P57 voice users because it is auto ignore. There goes. See? And then so on and so forth. So this is Unamas signing out. Okay. Unamas tutorial video twin power of Arpov Gov and Magnus Phantom Mass Iggy 6.2.3 Gov plus Phantom Mass Iggy. There you go. Bye guys.